Welcome to the Solomon training video about SENSIFIT. I'm Pete Cameron, the Global Product Line Manager for Solomon Running Footwear. The zigzag-shaped sidewall design on most Solomon shoes is not there by accident. In fact, it represents almost 20 years of creating exceptional fit for outdoor sport footwear. When Solomon first began making footwear in the early 1990s, designers looked for ways to comfortably hold the foot inside the trekking or backpacking boots they were creating. Their ultimate solution was actually to integrate a carefully shaped, flexible plastic wall on both the medial and lateral sides of the boot's midfoot and integrate them into the lacing system. Now, fast forward a few years later, and these same designers aimed to improve upon that technology. How could they make it lighter, more cohesive, and adaptable to outdoor footwear other than trekking boots or backpacking boots? The eureka moment came as these same designers imagined a set of human hands, fingers widely spread, wrapping over the top of the shoe, holding the foot comfortably in place. And so there you have today's zigzag pattern along the medial and lateral side of the midfoot, working in concert with each shoe's lacing system to provide a secure and comfortable fit. That's SENSIFIT technology.